Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And so many of you had said you wanted to try stamping, but weren't very sure. So I decided I was going to do a class. It will be online. It will be a person-to-person class where you could see me, I could see you, and we could all see each other. So there is this little catalog for brand new stampers, and I have chosen a stamp set here. There's so many great stamp sets to get you started. Of course, Paper Pumpkin is always great, but there are some fun little stamps in here that can get you started. But the one I want to focus on in my next class, which will be on Tuesday, October 29th, 5 p.m., this is what we're going to focus on. So let me go ahead and show you. I ordered it myself. So we've got this here. I got everything. Let's go ahead and look. There is the everything you need where you just put in one code. And let me give you that code. It is 152871. And you get everything here for only $60. You could also order individually, but if you wanted to take that class with me, go ahead and grab the everything you need, which is the stamp set I just gave you, the 152871. So let's go ahead and get started. The stamp set has these 2, 4, 6 stamps in it. They're really cute. We've got Hoot Hoot Horray, You Made My Day, For You, Happy Birthday, Always Here For You, and Welcome Little One. And here is the stamp set. It is a cling stamp set. We will put them together. Everything is going to be done as a first-time stamper. So if you're brand new to stamping, this will be the class that you want to take with me. So grab the Hoot Hoot Horray. Then you need something to stick it on, so the clear block D will fit perfect. So you'll want one of those. We're going to need ink, so the ink is the basic gray. We need somewhere to put it on, so we get a set of Whisper White note cards and envelopes. So you've got enough here to make 20. Is that what it says? It does. It says 20. So you get to make 20 note cards with envelopes. That's pretty cool. And then finally, we're going to need some color on there, and that is where the watercolor pencils come in. So you will want to get that. The entire thing, again, is only $60. And then you can come here and it says, if you want to step it up, so you order this, and then you can also order the 2 1/4 circle punch. So it looks like this. So grab one of those if you want to get to step it up, and we'll do that online as well. And then they said to get some Stampin' Dimensionals, which are right here. So you can choose to get everything. You can choose to get the everything you need, which will get you access to the class. If you want to step it up, grab the 2 1/4 inch punch, and I'll tell you what, when you grab the Hoot Hoot Horray everything you need and the circle punch, you don't need to get the Stampin' Dimensionals because I will send you these Stampin' Dimensionals. So what is today? I believe today is the 14th. So what I will do, make sure you use this host code here, E76ZWBN7. And what I'll do, not only will this get you into your beginner class, that'll also qualify you to get into the class on the 25th. So you will want to be able to attend both of those classes, and it is going to be fun. All right, The last thing I want to tell you is that you'll want to do this. Place your order this week. That way I have plenty of time to get these Stampin' Dimensionals out to you. So if you, let's see, I guess it has to be in, I would say, by the 21st, and I will mail these out on the 21st, and that will get to you. So let me go ahead, write this down. Orders in by 21st. That should give you plenty of time to get your kit. That's 8 days to get your everything you need by the 29th. And then also for me to get those Stampin' Dimensionals out to you as well. So, all right, the class is going to be on the 29th. It will be at 5 p.m. and that is Pacific time. Alrighty, so let's go over it again. You get your watercolor pencils, your Whisper White cards and envelopes, your basic gray stamp pad, your clear block size D, and your Hoot Hoot Horray stamp set. And let me just show you one more time. Just on here alone, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cards we can make quick and easy. So we will have so much fun. I cannot wait. I love beginning stamping because that puts you right at my level. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day. I'll put the link down below. I'll also put the order number and everything that you'll want to get. All right. Have a great day. Bye.